welcoming global spoken English.
बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है।
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I'd like to thank my fellow teachers and my dear friends and my dear viewers who gave me a golden chance, golden opportunity to speak in front of you on this stage. My name is Aisha Siddiqui and I am from Global Interview and I will be a host. Today, I will tell about the importance of English language. So guys, nowadays you must be knowing very well that English language is very important in everyone's life, whether they are rich or poor. And guys, if you wanna become a rich person in your life, you will have to focus on English language. Because if you don't focus on English language, if you don't focus on English grammar, you will face a lot of difficulties in your life. If you wanna earn a lot of money, then you will have to work hard and you will have to learn English language. Because you must be knowing very well that if you go anywhere, you will see the boards, they will be written in English. As if you wanna go to Mumbai and you don't know the place to go to Mumbai, and then if you wanna go to Mumbai and you don't know the place of Mumbai, then how should I go? Then you will see the boards. But if you don't know English, how will you read that boards? Yeah, it is right that there is written there is written Hindi also and English also, but nowadays, at the many places, English is written. English value is increasing day by day. So it means you can think that English is very important in your life. And guys, suppose that you wanna go to America to do a job, and you go there and you don't know as you have reached at airport of America. So if you wanna go somewhere in America, if you want to buy food, if you want to go to any hotel, then there is no anyone to help you. If you don't know English, then how will you ask to anyone that please tell me where should I go and where is your hotel? As if you are Indian and you don't know the English, if you go in Africa or America, if you tell them, "Bhaiya, खाना कहाँ मिलेगा?" What will they understand? Then what are you saying? They will not get you. They will not understand the language. They will say, "He is been mad." Whatever he is talking. Again, you will go to other person. You will tell again the same thing. You will tell the same thing. भैया खुदरा कहाँ मिलेगा? Then again he will tell you, are you mad? Are you crazy? Then how will you find? But if you know English, if you know English language, then if you ask to anyone, if you ask to a boy, if you ask to a child, that bro, tell me where can I get a hotel? I wanna take food. Please tell me the way of hotel. He will tell immediately. He will tell that go here and there. Wherever that hotel is, he will tell. But if you don't know English, they all will tell you have been mad. You have been mad. Okay guys, so finally I would like to tell to all of you, English language is very important in everyone's life. And if you want to become anything as doctor, engineer, teacher, whether if you want to become vegetable seller, even then you need English language. So finally I would like to say to all of you, English is very important in everyone's life. So before going from here, I would like to say to all of you that please join Global Spoken English, because Global Spoken English is a very good place to improve English. From Global Spoken English, many students have got very good job because of only their English, and this coaching has been from 2013. So please join Global Spoken English. So now I would like to request in the end to all my dear viewers that please, if you liked my channel, if you liked my video, please like my video, and please share my video and subscribe to my channel Global Spoken English. So guys, take care and bye bye.